The key fob for 2009 to 2014 Ford F-150 trucks typically requires a CR2032 battery replacement every 1 to 2 years when the remote stops working. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a new CR2032 battery. Gently pry open the fob at the seam, starting near the keyring. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. Once open, remove the old battery and check for corrosion on the metal contacts. Clean with isopropyl alcohol if needed. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up. Snap the fob case back together, ensuring it's aligned correctly. Test the fob by standing 10 to 20 feet from your F-150 and pressing the lock and unlock buttons. If the remote still doesn't work after replacing the battery, double-check the battery orientation and that the contacts are clean. Sometimes, the battery needs to be reseated multiple times. If problems persist, the fob might need reprogramming, which a dealership can do, or consider getting a replacement fob online or from Ford. To extend fob life, avoid exposure to humidity, and consider using rechargeable CR2032 batteries. Check the battery contacts annually for corrosion. If the battery life seems exceptionally short, a local mechanic might be needed to evaluate the circuitry for parasitic drain.